What is up guys, Arch here back with another video, and in this video I present you the $200 ultimate gaming PC that will surely play almost all games on Ultra. So basically for this build I gave myself a 200 Canadian dollars budget, which is equivalent to 200 USD, and it actually took me almost 3 months to get all the possible cheapest parts that I can ever get. And it was really hard for me to actually get a cheap video card. It's because of the video card spikes lately, like, you know, crypto mining.
Anyways guys, let's move on to the parts. The first 3 parts that I got was a i5 2500K together with an Asus Sabertooth P67 motherboard and a Corsair XMS3 2000MHz DDR3 8GB of RAM. Just so you know, this chip here is around 6 years old now when it first came out, but comparing it to today's technology, it's still a beast. And for this combo, I got them for $120 used, which is a super steal for this kind of part. And for the video card, I got a used EVGA GTX 770 for $100, which is not bad. And this is still a great card, just so you know. And if you're wondering where did I bought these parts, I got them off on Kijiji, and it's like a Canadian version of Craigslist. And for hard drive, I got this 320GB Seagate Barracuda. It was a clearance sale for $20 on my local store. I can probably get this for $15 on eBay, but I don't want to wait on shipping anymore, so I just did it. And lastly, for the case, I got a CM Scout gaming case plus a Thermaltake TR2 750 watts power supply, a pretty old one for $40. The old owner said it was around 8 years. Originally, I only wanted a case, but the PSU look still has good life on it. So let's cross our fingers in here. So all in all, I got a total of 250 Canadian dollars, which is equivalent to 200 USD. And I also have a Cooler Master Evo 212 lying around that I'm not using at all. I got it from Black Friday last year for $15, and a 16 LED fans that I have extra from my $700 build. So I just put it in for the sake of making it look sexy. And after a little bit of time building it, here's the finished product, which is not bad, right? Anyways, let's move on to the benchmarks. I have 5 awesome games today: Overwatch, GTA 5, Battlefield 1, Need for Speed, The Witcher 3. As you can see, everything runs on great, especially the Overwatch and GTA 5. Other games were still playable at around 35 to 55 frame rates, especially if you bump the settings too high, you will definitely get 60 frame rates. But I can't really complain since I only spent 250 on it. I mean, it's even cheaper than PS4, so all in all, this is an awesome system. Anyways, what do you guys think? Comment if you have any questions, like if you like the video, and subscribe if you want to see more of my videos, and thanks for watching.